You're sitting across from someone you like. They say something kind. And before you can stop it, heat rushes into your face. You didn't choose this. You can't will it away. Your cheeks just turned red. In front of everyone. Here is the interesting thing. No other animal on Earth does this. Not dogs, not chimpanzees, not your cat when it knocks something off the counter and stares at you like nothing happened. Just you, just humans. So why would evolution build a reflex that broadcasts your most private emotion onto your face for everyone to see? Charles Darwin asked the same question back in 1872. He called blushing the most peculiar and most human of all expressions. And he couldn't fully explain it. That puzzle sat unsolved for over a century. Here's what blushing actually is. When you feel embarrassed, your brain sends a signal through your sympathetic nervous system. Blood vessels in your face widen, blood rushes closer to the skin, your face heats up and turns red, sometimes in seconds. Most stress responses hide. Your heart pounds, but no one can see that. Your palms sweat, but you can keep them in your pockets. Blushing is the opposite. It's a stress response built to be seen. Psychologist Dacher Keltner has spent decades studying this. His research suggests blushing isn't a malfunction. It's a signal. A built-in apology written on your skin that says, I know I messed up. I see you noticing. I care what you think of me. Think about how powerful that is. In a small ancestral group of 50 or so people, you couldn't survive alone. Your group was your food, your protection, your future. If you broke a social rule, stole someone's portion, embarrassed yourself in front of the group, you needed a way to say, I'm still one of you. I still belong here. A blush did that instantly. No words needed. Researcher Corine Dijk ran experiments where people watched videos of someone making an obvious mistake. The blushing person was consistently rated as more likable and more trustworthy than the person who showed no reaction at all. The blush wasn't a weakness, it was a peace offering. Here's the part that should really catch you off guard. You can't fake a blush. You can't fake it for a job interview. You can't fake it for a first date. It is one of the only human expressions that is almost completely involuntary. And that's exactly the point. If you could fake it, it would mean nothing. Evolution didn't just give you a way to apologize, it gave you a way to apologize that nobody can fake, which makes it something rare. A signal everyone can trust. So next time your face goes red in front of strangers, you're not malfunctioning. You're running code that's been part of human social survival for tens of thousands of years. Your ancestors didn't survive the Ice Age by being the strongest or the fastest. They survived by staying inside the group. And the blush was one of the tools that kept them there. If you're sitting across from someone you like, your face goes red. And for a brief second, without saying a single word, you're doing exactly what your ancestors did to survive. You're proving you still belong. If you like our content, please make sure to like and subscribe to We Explain.